Certificate of Recognition is awarded to second year Section D for having won fourth runner-up in the recently held Science Jingle Contest for the Science Fair 2012, given this 28th day of September 2012 at Palawi Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales. Signed, Miss Felicina A. Heron, Principal, Miss Maria Virginia N. Cabal, Eco Labs Club Coordinator.
Second year section D. Nakakangawit din pala eh.
Ma? Yeah! Mara! Saan mo pala natutunan yung mga? Rugi ko ang buta.
Wala ba?
Umayos ka nga.
Ginagawa niyo.
Ay! Wala, video to eh. Saglit pala.
The same certificate is awarded to Grade 7 for having third runner-up in the recently held Science Jingle for the Science Fair 2012.
Miss,
Sinungaling ka, malakot. Sabi nga mo naman, sinasabi ko, wala na suspense.
Di ba? No! Buhin mo! Wow, ganda ni Daan, no? Papagta!
The same certificate is awarded to fourth year
oh,
second runner-up.
wala bang tubig?
Tatalo kayo!
The first runner-up goes to second year section A. And the champion, third year.
Ruben!
Mabitin si Jocelyn Laka. Ano ba yun? Nakakawawa naman tayo.
Republic of the Philippines, Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales. This is a certificate of recognition is awarded to fourth year Section A for having won third runner-up recently held flip-top battle contest for Science Fair 2012. Given this 28th day of September 2012 at Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales, signed Miss Felicina A. Heron, our principal, and Miss Maria Virginia M. Cabal, Eco Lovers Club Coordinator. The same certificate is awarded to third year Section A for having won second runner-up in the flip-top battle contest. The first runner-up goes to second year Section A. And the champion, the Grade 7 Section A.
Oh, ngiti ah, smile! Yeah! Gila!
Ay, isa pa daw kasi. Matawa pa sila. Bali, first. Sila. Uy, sila. Sila. Kampiyon sila. Push lang tayo. No?
Nakawa.
Republic of the Philippines, Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palace. This certificate is awarded to Ralph Allen D. for having won third runner-up in the recently held B contest for the Science Fair 2012, given the 28th day of September 2012 at Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales. Signed, Miss Felicina A. Heron, our principal, and Miss Maria Virginia Cabal, Ecolabos Club Coordinator.
Uy, ako! Dito sa akong pinagsasabi. Ang dapat dalawa kayo, ma'am.
The same certificate is awarded to Danelle Marie Magwad for having won second runner-up.
Hoy, mamodel!
The first runner-up goes to Desiree Joy Serrano. And the champion, Hannah Alves.
Republic of the Philippines, Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Reliza A. Oraliza for having won second runner-up in the recently held essay writing contest for the Science Fair 2012. Given this 28th day of September, Palawig Academy Educational Foundation, Palawig, Zambales. Signed our principal, Ms. Felicina A. Heron, and Ms. Maria Virginia N. Cabal, Ecolabos Club Coordinator. Same certificate is awarded to Allen Andresel Romero for having won first runner-up for an essay writing contest. Same certificate is awarded to Rachel Ann M. Ocampo, the champion for an essay writing contest.
Dawal mo, Nene! Ganda mo!
Ganda niyo.
Hoy, mega mo yan! Dagi!
For the slogan making contest, the third runner-up, Bill Anular.
Ay, joke.
The first runner-up goes to Rachel Ann Ocampo. And the champion, Princess Diane Delgin.
The fourth runner-up for the Pinoy Invention Contest, we have the second year. The third runner-up goes to fourth year Section A. And the second runner-up goes to third year Section B. And the first runner-up goes to fourth year Section B. And the champion, third year Section A.
For the poster making contest, third runner-up goes to fourth year Section B. Second runner-up goes to grade 7 Section A. The first runner-up goes to fourth year Section A. Yes, second year. Uy, kayain nyo na, sige na para. Ay, may umeda tayo sa mga Ay, champion. And the champion, third year Section A. Meda! Ay, magwala na sila. Magwala na naman meda. May nagandaan. Wala medal yan. Oh, no. Uy, tama. Ronel! Ronel! Here are your consolation prizes. Grade 7, Section A. Grade 7, Section B. Ay, pumarada. Si Kimberly, yung laki na hintay niya eh. Check ko, Mel.
Medal!
grade 7 tayo na. Medal. Ayun na, 17. For the second year, section A. For the second year, section B.
Ay, damit lang, damit. Ay, meron naman yung ako kayo. Laba! 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 Laba!
For the third year, section A.
Lisa, ikaw ba?
Thank you.
Rita! Rita!
For the third year, section B.
Medal! Invert! Dekom na yan. Limber!
For the fourth year, section A.
White year, medal. Ay, may tae dito nagkahiya.
For the fourth year, section B.
Manggal medal.
Thank you so much for all your participation and cooperation for the Science Fair 2012. May we call on Miss Maria Virginia N. Cabal for the closing remarks.
Kala ko naman okay na yun.
To the administrative staff of our school, to my co-teachers, to the students, parents, and guests, thank you for making this event possible and successful. There's really strength in unity. Let us continue our desire in saving and protecting Mother Earth. Once again, thank you, and may God bless us all. Good afternoon.
Medal!